Is your marketing team's approach to AI feeling a little chaotic? Like everyone's doing their own thing? Well, in this explainer, we're going to give you the actual blueprint to turn all that random activity into a powerful, measurable system that really, truly drives results. And just so you know where this is all coming from, everything we're about to cover is pulled straight from Chapter 7 of this tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC. It's a real deep dive into making teams more productive. You know the feeling, right? One person on your team is using one tool, someone else is using another, and the results are all over the place. It's that classic, frustrating gap between what AI promises and the messy reality of getting it to work consistently. But don't worry, there is a clear path forward. We're going to lay out a roadmap that turns those random one-off AI experiments into a genuine productivity flywheel, one that actually gains momentum the more you use it. So, where do we even begin? Well, the first, and honestly the most crucial step, is picking the right tools. You got to think of this as the absolute bedrock of your entire AI system. Getting this part right is everything. Look, it's so easy to just chase the newest, shiniest AI tool out there, but we're not going to do that. You need a disciplined approach, and a checklist like this is perfect. I mean, of course, output quality matters, that's a given, but you gotta ask the tougher questions. Like, how easy is this thing to actually plug into the way we already work? And what about data privacy? Seriously, answering those questions now is gonna save you from some massive headaches down the road. Okay, now this is where it gets really interesting. Having a powerful AI tool is one thing, but the real magic, the real value, happens when you start connecting the dots. Integration is where you unlock some serious power. This chart here, it shows a really critical trade-off. See the bar for social media tools? That's a quick win, right? Low effort, pretty good value. Easy. But then, look at the CRM integration. Okay, yeah, it's a much bigger project, a heavier lift for sure, but the business value is just massive in comparison. This is where you get to do that kind of personalization at a scale you've probably only dreamed about. All right, so you've picked your tools, you've connected them to your systems, and now comes that moment of truth. Sooner or later, every leader, every stakeholder is going to ask that one simple question. How do we know this is actually working? Because without proof, you're never going to get the buy-in you need to really scale this thing up. And the proof, as they say, is in the numbers. And we're not talking about tiny little improvements here. The data shows that teams who get systematic with AI are saving, on average, 42% of their time on those routine marketing tasks. Just think about that for a second. What could you do with almost half your team's time back? That's time for real strategy, for pure creativity. So what do teams do with all that time they get back? Well, they create. This efficiency boost lets teams crank out over 3 times more content. That means more testing, more ways to personalize, and way more market coverage, all without completely burning out your people. And this isn't just about soft metrics like time saved. This stuff translates into real, hard dollar savings. When you can bring more of that content creation in-house, you can cut way back on what you're spending on expensive agencies or freelancers. We're talking about a real impact on the budget. But listen, having the right tools and being able to measure the impact is only half the story. The real acceleration happens when we look at how your team actually uses them. Let's dig into the specific techniques that really fuel this engine. Okay, this right here, this is your team's productivity playbook. Seriously, getting these 4 techniques down will be a total game changer. Just imagine, no more starting from a blank page, struggling with the perfect prompt. Nope, you just pull from a library of templates that you know already work. And instead of doing one social post at a time, you're batching 10, 20 in one go. This is how you build that unstoppable momentum we've been talking about. And all that momentum leads us to the final, and I think, the most powerful stage. This is where you take all those individual wins and multiply their impact by turning them into a massive team asset. It's all about mastering collaboration. Getting to true scale isn't about having one AI genius on the team. It's about building a collective intelligence, a culture where your team is constantly sharing what works. Think about this idea of pair prompting. It's just like pair programming in the tech world. It's a fantastic way for 2 people to tackle a tough task together, sharing their skills and learning from each other in real time. And this quote really nails what might be the most important takeaway for any leader. Your most valuable asset isn't one person's amazing skill. It's the collective library of templates and knowledge. That becomes your company's own unique AI brain, a competitive advantage that nobody else can copy. So, when you put all these pieces together, the right tools, the right techniques, and a culture of collaboration, something really profound happens. AI stops being just another tool you use. It becomes a core competency. It becomes a fundamental part of how your marketing team operates and how it wins. So there you have it, the complete blueprint for turning that AI chaos into a real high-performance system. The question isn't, does this work anymore? We know it does. The real question is, now that you have the plan, are you ready to lead with it? Are you ready to completely redefine what your team is capable of?